Well, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to define a function called x. I'm going to pass it some data which will be caught in variable a, b, and this strange item called star args. And that's the colon. That means I'm going to define my statements therein. So, what do I do next? The first thing I'm going to do is tell the system to print out whatever was caught in the variable a. And then I'm going to tell the system to print out whatever was caught in b, and then print out whatever was caught in star args, and then take the contents of a, b, and args, no star allowed here in the return statement, take these three and return them to whoever called this x function. That's what I'm going to do. I hit the enter key twice, and I get my prompt again. I'm going to call this function x now. I'm going to pass it 2, 3, and Jim, Kim, and Sun. These three names. And whatever gets returned will get assigned to this variable over here on the left, y. Okay, let me hit the enter key once, and let's see what happens. Well, it did what we told it to do. Printed out the contents of a, which was 2. We passed it 2, that got caught in a. Then it prints out b, 3 was passed to b, and here it is, it just got printed out. And then, what was in args? These three items got stuck into args, or got caught in args, and they got printed out like this, Jim, Kim, and Sun. Well, can we access these now in the variable y? Let's find out. Well, I'm going to key in y, then squares 0, comma y squares 2. So the index 0 and 2, not 2, 1. The 0th and 1th element of this data that got caught here. So a and b. A would be the 0th. Excuse me. Here I have y. And y has 2, 3, and Jim, Kim, Sun. This would be the 0th element, the 1th element, and this will be the 3th element. 0, I said that wrong again. 0, 1, and 2th element. There we go. I said it right that time. So the 0 and 1th element should be 2 and 3. Let's see if indeed that is the truth. And it is. There's the 2 and the 3. Well, that means that the y 2th element should be, or should contain Jim, Kim, and Sun. Let's find out. I hit enter, and I get Jim, Kim, and Sun. All well and good, but can I access these guys individually? Yes, I can. This is a tuple. I can access them by their individual position. This is the 0, 1th, and 2th elements of this 2th structure of y. Well, okay, that's all. That sounds good. How do I do it? Well, I say, Mr. Y, yes, go to your 2th element, Jim, Kim, Sun, and he's got 3 elements therein. Could you show me what is in the 0th element, please? Just like that. And I hit enter. And what do I get? Jim. Wow. Let's do that again. But this time, let's take a look at the 2th element's 1th element. That should be Kim. And I hit enter. And I get Kim. Well, I'm going to do this again. I'm going to put a 2 in there. And that means the 2th elements, 0, 0, 1, 2th guy, that's Sun. So, dollars to donuts, I'm going to get Sun in here. Here we go. And that's exactly what I get. Okay, that's all I gotta say. This is George Boole. Please share and rate this video. That means click on the like button. I'd appreciate that. And I wish you lots of luck. Bye-bye now.